The minimum penalties for a first-time DUI in California include 3 years of informal probation. That really means you're promised not to do this again or not to commit any other criminal offense. Pay a fine. The fine totals approximately $1,600, together with all the assessments that they add to the base fine. A 3-month alcohol education program that involves weekly meetings for about 3 months. It costs about $450. And a license suspension from the DMV as a result of the conviction for 6 months, although that can be converted to a restricted license to allow work-related driving. The maximum, however, is 6 months in county jail, and there are various penalties that the court can consider, such as picking up trash on the freeway, community service, longer alcohol programs, a 6-month or a 9-month alcohol program, depending upon the facts of your case. As far as the second offense is concerned, the minimum penalty does include 96 hours of county jail. The maximum penalty is 1 year in county jail on a second offense. Probation again as before, fine again as before, but this time an 18-month alcohol education program. It's a longer alcohol program. Of course, again, the court has discretion to impose more jail time or alternatives to jail time. And one thing that attorneys do, of course, is try and persuade judges not to impose jail time, or at least to look to alternatives to jail, such as home arrest or work in the community or rehabilitation. On a third offense, then the jail time gets worse, of course. We're looking at a minimum of 120 days county jail on a third offense, an 18-month alcohol program, a 3-year revocation of your privilege to drive in California for the conviction, although it is possible to reinstate early after a year. And the maximum, again, is 1 year in county jail. Once we get to a fourth offense, that can be filed as a felony, and the possibility with a fourth offense is state prison time as opposed to county jail time.